Baka pag video game.
Automatic.
Guys, motivational quote of the day. Ang buhay ay parang life. Tapos motivational quote, ang hirap naman nun. Hirap naman ma-motivate sa life, lalo ngayon ang init-init. Parang hindi motivating yung weather.
Because a spirit of what? I love you so much. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. You got to hear me now. You got to hear me. Yeah. Oh, I see it now. I got the fire, the fire. I'm at the chapel, and you got to hear me. Now? I mean, what? You're the best mommy apple. You hobby, are you Timmy? Are you hobby so much? You need to water the plants.
I need to water the plants because I'm the best mommy ever.
Yes,
Why do I need to water the plants?
because you're upbeat people. Shut up, Daddy.
I don't want to water the plants. I don't want them to grow.
But they could have no apples. I will have no other apple to eat.
Yung ano? Alam mo
I had it for home.
yun sa mga palengke mismo. Put the rocks back.
Si Alce kumakalat.
Hi guys! Today, I got to be busy today. And I got to be busy by showing my tutors.
Let me spread it out. Ito niya kasi akong nagme-makeup. Kaya siya din daw. Ooh. Thank you, love. Welcome. So, tara sa kabinatuan. Makiki-gym-gym tayo with Zoe and Ate Ana. Tila matagal na sila nag-start. Ako makikisali lang ako today. Dito tayo sa third floor ng SM. Tatanong tayo about sa laser. Thank you. Okay na po. Thank you. Na-feel ko lang yung promo nila dahil last day today. So, asa na ba siya? Saan siya? Hindi ba yun? Oh, hindi pa nga sumasagot. Yung pagkikilo ko nga. Sa po kami mag-gym.
Meron po akong maging private person pag may vlogger.
Si Coach Ata Daddy, akala niya nagbibiro lang ako first time ko. Pumili kami na balot, mais, and then bibingka at puto bongbong sa Plaza Lucero. Bibingka at putong bongbong at suman. lumpiang gulay, tas okoy. Ano yan, lumpiang
Gulay din.
gulay din. Stay old.
Bundles mo. Or mama natin yan. Hindi na.
Hi! Uy! Thank you! Feeling ko kasi himatayin ako pag hindi ako uminom ng something sweet. Kasi you know what guys? Sobrang stressful yesterday. As in, sobra. So sa sobrang stress namin, hindi ako nakatulog. As in, parang nakahiga naman ako, nakapikit ako. Pero alam mo yun, ayaw mapahinga ng utak ko. Takbo lang siya ng takbo. Ganong klaseng stress yung nangyari sa akin kahapon. I think 5 a.m. na ako nakatulog. Nagising ako after 30 minutes. Tapos, tingnan ko yung phone ko. Basta, sobrang stressful. Cheers! So, ayun. It's been a stressful day yesterday. But we made it through. Hopefully, everything will be good na.
Init ako nasa impyerno kanina. Pakiramdam ko, napiran ako ni Santana sa mukha ko.
Ano kaya masarap kainin na hindi rice? Kasi hindi pa ako kumakain ng something big na mamaya after gym. Parang bigla akong makahinga na, coach.
Pag-iinom niya.
Ay na mag- Ay, it's mine. This